and watching a boys and girls in our classroom. We're ready to begin our activity lesson. For our activity lesson today, we will learn about our health and remember something about when we eat health. For example, do we eat chocolate, cake, candy, or a lollipop all the time? No, it's not the right health we need. If you eat that all the time, your body will be a little fatter, a little heavier to move yourself. Even it's hard to begin your life. So change that bad habit and change it into a good habit. So if you want to be lighter, you want to be faster and easier on your life, you need to eat vegetable. And let's talk about how important vegetable is. Vegetables are made out from growing farmer and plants. Some like berries and strawberries and blackberries, they come from bushes, and the other like cabbage, then lemon, and the other that farmer grow, and the other fruit that tree grow farm. Soon, if we eat it there. In the last lesson, we also talk about a bug, and this bug is a farmer friend. Do you know what it is? It ate aphid. Ooh, we don't want aphid in our crops, right? The aphid will sap in our tree water, right? And those fruit will not be yummy until we eat it, right? So the ladybug will eat all the aphid, and one ladybug can eat 72 aphid in one day. And so thanks for that, plants keep growing. Plants are very important, just like in our earth, the green meat island. And island have a lot of plants, right? But I will ask you a question. But this is a tough one. See if you can answer it. But if we eat vegetable all the time, does that mean that we can't have sweet? No, it isn't. That's not true. If we eat vegetable all too much, then our body still do not need enough energy. They need a little break out. You can also sometimes have a little bit of sweet treat. Just mean that we don't eat it too much, but it's okay to eat it sometime. We can eat it 2 or about 3 days. Everyone need to eat sweet for only 3 days, then change it into back. So, do you think that only human or only animal where I'm sitting at? And there is some special thing about an animal from a human. And animals sometimes actually do not talk, but some of the birds can talk and repeat and sing a lovely song, or can repeat after people's voice. And some birds are even pets. And I want to tell you something about even a dinosaur. Dinosaurs have extinct a long time ago, and also animal. And there are some herbivore animal and a carnivore animal. Do you know what herbivore or carnivore is? A herbivore is an animal that only eat grass and berry, fruit, and also plants. No meat at all. A carnivore, that sounds scary. That means some of them eat people. And because they're carnivore and we have meat inside, right? And maybe they hunt some other animal, they're called carnivore. And some are a little bit different because some both eat plants and some even eat meat. And it's called the Olympics. And those eat anything. That means they eat anything, like they're a carnivore or a herbivore. That means they eat anything. So do we do like they said? No, remember what I taught. A herbivore means eat grass and plants and good things all day. So these animals do not bite people. And also dinosaur. Some dinosaurs are herbivore. If dinosaurs are herbivore that we have go there to see, like Brachiosaurus, a Lonodon, or something different about dinosaur, those dinosaurs can be friendly to people. But we know they're all extinct now, right? So even we are human, do we like to be a carnivore? We don't want to be a carnivore, right? A carnivore means they eat meat all day. Ooh, we don't want to be too fat and hard in our life, right? We want to eat all kind of flavors and food, so that gives our body the right amount. There's another type of thing that I hope you will do in every night. It seems like we need to go to bed early. Some of you may go to bed at really early. Early, like my neighborhood have go to bed at 1 o'clock. Seems like that. Really early, right? Then I hope they will have a good time in the morning, right? And also, I want you to do quiet thing when you're about to sleep. Because why? Let me talk about you. If you do hard thing, fasting, and your body may get tired before the food you eat. The food that you eat. And also you will miss up there or out. But if you sleep with those hard things, I'm sure some of you might puckle them out. And that will lose all of the vegetables and food that we eat. That will make us weaker. Even if one day we don't eat anything, the next day don't eat anything, and the third day still not. That people going to be very weak. The blood did not grow. Even if we don't have blood, even if we don't have the right amount of fruit to eat, that human can lift up even a leaf or an ant. It's really easy for us now to pick up the ant or a leaf. Oh, that sounds too easy, right? But if no blood and no right amount of food, they'll go weaker. Your mom might said, son, daughter, change that habit to this habit. Then your mom will show you. So there are two choices. One, if you will listen to your mom, and two, no listen, keep going what you are going on. So that's a bad habit that's going to be happen in your body. And also, there's in the next lesson, in activity lesson, we will learn about the white blood cell.